My mom ordered this bar cart, and assembling furniture is something that she doesn't exactly excel at, but it's something that I like, so I'm gonna put this together for her. Oh no, we had a fatality. Oh no, it's carnage. I need scissors. Ooh, directions. How did I get tape on my foot? These things probably go opposite each other. I think I need the directions. Alright, I got one of these things. Got one of these things. And suction cups. Huh. This one says A. That says B. That opened everywhere. I just pulled this out of my foot from when my mom was using her sewing kit a couple days ago. Dinner with my aunt.